More breaking news coming in. It's a big boost for India's defense. 3 Apache that have arrived in India. Apache attack choppers that are now in India. The army now has 6 Apache attack choppers. India has received its final batch of the Apache choppers. It is certainly a huge boost to our defense capability, as India now has 3 more Apache attack choppers, the final batch that has arrived in India. So broadly, it means that the Indian Army now has 6 Apache attack choppers, this being the final batch. Let me cut across to Shivani Sharma for further details of the arrival of the final batch. Over to you, Shivani.
Swesha, this is a very good news for Indian Army, especially when it is upgrading and enhancing its strike power. And when it comes to helicopter fleet, Apache helicopters that were ordered in 2020 for the Indian Army have now arrived in full strength. So 6 Apache helicopters are now with the Indian Army and they are to be deployed on the western border with Pakistan. The 3 Apache helicopters had earlier reached in the month of July. And now the remaining 3 Apache helicopters have also arrived and they will be handed over to the Indian Army. When we talk about the capabilities, they have the Hellfire missile systems, 70mm rocket pods. They are also capable of destroying the bunkers, the tanks of the enemy. So a lot of power out there with the Indian Army now with the Apache helicopters, and not I don't want to lose that point here, because the US Embassy in India has called it a milestone between India and United States defense ties. So you can understand the magnitude of this Apache helicopters reaching India and being a part of the Indian Army's helicopter fleet. It not only enhances the strike power, but a lot of power to India when it comes to defense diplomacy.
All right, Shivani, many thanks for joining us with the latest. Moving on, the Indian Navy that is sharply boosting its air power from INS Hansa in Goa. India Today bringing you this exclusive, a look at Navy's newest combat asset. The Navy is set to commission its 2nd squadron of MH-60R Romeo helicopters, strengthening surveillance, anti-submarine and strike capabilities. Equipped with advanced sensors, Hellfire missiles and torpedoes, these helicopters significantly enhance India's maritime dominance across the Indian Ocean region. Here's that report.
इस वक्त जब सरहद पर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर जारी है, समुद्री सरहद पर भारतीय नौसेना अपनी हवाई मारक क्षमता को लगातार बढ़ा रही है। भारतीय नौसेना के बेड़े में दुनिया का सबसे आधुनिक और मल्टी मिशन हेलीकॉप्टर MH-60 रोमियो की दूसरी स्क्वाड्रन शामिल हो रही है। इस वक्त मैं गोवा में हंसा नेवल बेस पर मौजूद हूं, जहां पर ये नए जो हेलीकॉप्टर हैं वो शामिल हो रहे हैं। ये दूसरी स्क्वाड्रन है। हमारे साथ इस हेलीकॉप्टर के पायलट हैं लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर प्रखर भार्गवा। आपसे जानना चाहूँगा इसकी ऐसी क्या खासियत है जो कि ये भारतीय नौसेना के हवाई मारक क्षमता को बढ़ाने का काम करता है।
MH-60R helicopter is the most advanced helicopter present in Indian Navy. It is an all-weather aircraft which is capable of operating both by day and night from ashore and afloat. Its exceptional stability, long endurance and state-of-the-art weapon and sensors fitted in the aircraft makes it a potent platform for achieving any operational objective, whether it is anti-submarine warfare, surface surveillance or search and rescue. The diversity and the operational capabilities and the technology which is used in this aircraft provide Indian Navy the capability to achieve operational objectives in toughest conditions.
The MH-60R helicopter is fitted with advanced avionics, sensors and weapon systems. So in order to maintain these advanced systems, we require high maintenance standards and technical oversight. So as a technical team, we ensure that each and every system fitted on the aircraft is maintained at its high standard and it is available for all operational requirement when demanded by the Navy.
हवाई मोर्चे पर भारतीय नौसेना अपनी मारक क्षमता को बढ़ा रही है। भारतीय नौसेना की बेड़े में दुनिया का जो सबसे आधुनिक मल्टी मिशन हेलीकॉप्टर है उसकी नई स्क्वाड्रन शामिल हो रही है। MS-60 रोमियो हेलीकॉप्टर जो अमेरिका का बना हुआ है और यहाँ आइनस हंसा गोवा में दूसरी स्क्वाड्रन शामिल हो रही है। इससे पहले कोच्चि में एक स्क्वाड्रन शामिल हुई थी। इसकी मारक क्षमता की हम बात करें तो ये हेलफायर मिसाइल से लैस है। समुद्री मोर्चे पर बात करें तो समुद्र के गहरे समुद्र से के नीचे पनडुब्बी के खिलाफ ऑपरेशन के लिए टॉर्पीडोज को लैस किया गया है। हमारे साथ इस स्क्वाड्रन के कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हैं कैप्टन धीरेन्द्र बिस्ट। उनसे जानेंगे कि क्या मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, ये दूसरी स्क्वाड्रन है और जिस तरह का ये हेलीकॉप्टर है मल्टी मिशन हेलीकॉप्टर है, क्या सिग्निफिकेंस, क्या महत्व आप इसका देखते हैं?
INS-CZ-5 will function as the eyes, ears and first hunters of the fleet, providing real-time situational awareness, undersea warfare capability and rapid response across our vast maritime spaces.
The commissioning of second squadron will be significantly boost the Indian Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities, particularly in the Indian Ocean region, where Chinese naval activity has increased. The helicopter can defeat and track enemy submarine, making them a potent force multiplier for the Indian Navy. The MS-60 Romeo helicopters will be deployed on INS Vikramaditya, INS Vikrant and other naval vessels. With camera person Kirpal Singh, this is Manjit Negi for India Today from INS Hansa, Goa.